In this tutorial, I'm going to show you if we can change your region or country on eFootball. So if you've set up a eFootball account and set up a region on it, we're going to see if we can change it or not. I've just installed the eFootball and I'm yet to select my region. So right now I'm just going to select a region right here, like so, and then click on next. And it clearly says that you cannot change your country or region later. So I'm just gonna click on confirm, and this is gonna take me to the game. Now once you've logged into your game, we're gonna check on the account section if we can change our region or not. We have logged in our game and we're gonna check if we can change the region. So we go to the extras and then go to user information and then go to user details. Click on continue. And under personal information, as you can see, the country region right now is Indonesia. So there is no option to change it. If you want to change your country or region, then the only option is to clear all of the data and open a new profile and set your desired country or region there. Unfortunately, that is the only option that you can do right now to change the region. I hope you found the video helpful and I'll see you on the next one.